Check this out. I've just enabled the remote windows feature on the B6 A4, and it's a pretty cool feature if you guys ask me. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I did it. Now let's get straight to it. Here are the tools that I will be using: a VCDS cable here and a laptop with the VCDS program. So let's get started. Plug the VCDS cable into the OBD2 port under the driver's dash near the hood latch release lever. Plug the USB end of the VCDS cable into your laptop. Turn the ignition on. Open up the VCDS program. Go to Select Module. Go to 46, Central Convenience. Go to Coding-07. Alright, now just close out this box here. This number here that's highlighted is going to be different from all cars, from each car to each car. So do not pay attention to my specific number. Pay attention to your specific number. So for your number, you will add 64 to that highlighted number. So in my case, I'm going to add 64 to 11,788, and that becomes 11,852. After that, hit do it. Close controller, go back, and go back. Now let's test and see if it works. So let's check and test to see if this works. Press the unlock, hold it down. That should open the windows. Cool. And then press the lock and hold it down, and that should close all the windows. Nice. So if you guys have any further questions about the procedure, just comment it down below and I will try my best to help you guys out. Now, if you guys missed a video where I replaced the window regulator on the B6 A4, make sure to go and check it out right here, and also subscribe to my channel right here. Thanks.